Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error. To run this application, you must install one of the following, the .NET framework here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to your Google Chrome. Simply double tap to it or any of your browser that is available in your computer, you can use it, okay? So here, once you are being redirected to the browser that you have just opened, you need to wait until the search bar would be available here at the center, okay? Okay, so please type .NET framework download. The moment you have typed that, click on enter and wait until you are being redirected to the list of results. You'd be able to see a list of results, and I would recommend you to go with the Microsoft.com browser. Click on this link. The moment you have the click on it, you would be redirected to the downloading of this .NET framework, where here you need to scroll down and look for the latest update or latest version of this .NET framework. So look at the dates and observe. And I would recommend you to go with the latest one. Click on this version, click on it, and wait again until it will now start on downloading such. Okay? Okay. So here, you need to scroll down and look for an option where you can download this specific application. Okay, so it's here. Go with it, click on it. And the moment you have the click on it, you just have to wait until it will be installed or downloaded rather in our Windows or our computer. Okay, let's wait first. Once it's here, click this arrow icon and wait until a new window will appear. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to start on installing the program or application. Okay, so let us close this one so that we can focus in this installation. Okay, so it's now starting to install the program. You just have to go with it. Okay, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.